Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an exciting new way to create art, combining the power of AI with your personal touch. Imagine taking stunning AI-generated visuals and elevating them with traditional hand-painted or sketched elements. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting started, this video will open up a whole new world of possibilities for your creativity. Stick around as we guide you step by step. It's just really simple for me to guide y'all to blend the best of both worlds into one of a kind masterpieces. And as always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips. Let's get started. First up, we need a strong visual foundation. Midjourney will help us generate an inspiring base image, which we'll enhance with additional details to prepare it for our handcrafted elements. All right, simple as that. Let's imagine like creating a surreal, dreamlike landscape that has both fantasy and realism. Now, this base that we'll come up with will serve as our creative springboard for later enhancement. For this, we'll use the following prompt right here. Let me just paste it down. All right, so what we got, a serene mountain valley at twilight has glowing neon rivers flowing through intricate terrain, floating bioluminescent orbs emitting soft light. There's a mist cascading over lush, hyper detailed foliage. Then it has to be a cinematic atmosphere, 4K ultra detailed textures, surreal and dreamlike composition, and has a wide aspect ratio for depth. And also, just feel free to adjust your image size right here. I want to go with this one. There we go. Then, let's see the process right over here. Okay, so now that we've set up the prompt, let's see how Midjourney works its magic. So watching the image come to life is one of my favorite parts of this process. It'll take a bit quicker than you would expect. And yep, here it is. Look at that. See right here? Just look at each of the rendered image results here. See, the glowing rivers and the ethereal light create such a magical atmosphere. It's the perfect balance of detailed and surrealism, which is exactly what we envisioned and how we've asked through this prompt that we just came up with. See right here? There's the last one. See? And this is actually quite an amazing starting point leading to our next step. Now, before that, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now comes the fun part, adding your unique artistic flair. This is where you get to put your own creative stamp on the AI-generated image from earlier. Whether it's sketching, painting, or digital drawing, you're turning the AI's work into something truly unique. Okay, so we'll do with 2 sets of rendered images. One is hand drawn and one is sketched. So let's go with not hand drawn, hand painted. Sorry about that. Okay, so here's the first one, the painted one. Let's go with impressionist style. Once again, mountain valley at twilight, yada yada yada, high resolution digital painting aesthetic. Okay, let's go here. And what you're going to do is have you pick one of the rendered images for your base image for this one. Let's go with this. Then drop it here. Okay, now it is linked in to your prompt. Alrighty. And once it's everything crafted together with your details, let's send this off right about now. Okay, so once it's sent, just wait for a bit with the process to finish. Okay, and see how Midjourney would incorporate these into the final results. Remember, this is the hand painted one, right? Just it might take a bit while. Okay, I think we're starting to see the results here. And okay, wow, look at that. See the difference here with this one comparing to the original here? See, it's very hyper realistic. And this one is completely filtered as if it's very painted here. Look at the texture. See this one? And another one. See here? See? And another one right here. Okay, now let's go over and see the rendered images in sketch form. So I have my prompt right over here. Let me post it down. Okay, so here we'll go with 5D. Just add a bit more flair with the images that I want in sketch form. It has to be color pencil art style. Same image as always. Let me just drag the same one right over here. And then let's hit send. Once more, just wait for the process in how Midjourney would render the images. Might take a couple of seconds. Be patient right there. Okay, so here is the sketch form with the same image. See right here. See? Look at that. Different texture here. See? One is painted, this one sketched. See? Make it all 5D to make it more interesting. Pretty cool, right? See? Now, by using these blending techniques with your prompts, you can achieve that perfect balance where your handcrafted details and the AI base complement each other beautifully. So you can see how the AI's foundation, your base image combined with handcrafted creativity results in a, stunning piece of art that's uniquely yours. Right here. So I hope this video inspires you to experiment with blending AI and traditional art. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this technique can unlock endless possibilities for your creativity. Until next time, everybody, see ya!